Hello again and welcome to week 15. This is our final week of the semester. Last week we started chapter 11 on two population hypothesis testing. We'll continue that. One of the issues in two population hypothesis testing is finding the standard error. And we kind of pool the population standard deviations if we know what they are. But what if we don't? One case, if we don't know what the population standard deviations of our two populations are, uh, it might be that we don't know what the standard deviations or the variances are, but we think they're equal. Well, we have one way to handle that, but we might not even know that. And there's another way that we handle if we don't even know what the standard deviations are and we don't even know if they're the same. One of the things that we do is move from the Z distribution or the standard normal distribution to students T distribution. That's T as in tsunami um, distribution, which fudges a little bit and gives us a little bit more confidence in our distribution shape. So another thing that we're going to run into this week is what we call paired samples. So what do I mean by paired samples? Suppose I have two different drivers and I want to find out which driver will hit the golf ball the longest. Well, I could take 20 golfers here and use driver A and then 20 a sample of 20 over here and use driver B and see which ones hit the golf ball the longest. But there's a problem with that. The problem being that maybe this group over here with driver A, we're all professional golfers, and this group B over here, we're all golfers like myself that can't hit it straight or accurately or very far at all. So now the golfers are causing a problem with our data rather than understanding just what's happening with the driver. So how do we solve that? The way to solve it is to take the set of population that we have, and in this case we could take both the first group and the second group, put them together and have them all hit driver A and then have them all hit driver B and then look at the average that way. Now we've taken the ability of the golfer out of the equation and we're just comparing the golf clubs, the drivers. And so that's called a paired sample, and we'll talk about how to use that. In addition, we'll spend some time on looking at a review for our final exam. The final exam is comprehensive. It will cover the whole semester, and it will be in the testing center. So you'll have to get in a appointment to go to the testing center to take the test. You'll need a Scantron form, but there'll also be some more answers that you'll need to provide than just on a Scantron form. So hope you'll have good luck on the final, and I hope you've enjoyed the course. And thank you for being with us this semester.